When BitTitan puts out a product, it calls on two individuals to demonstrate those products to the world. Darrell Webster, super genius, and Jethro Seghers, evil mastermind. When they aren't pushing the envelope of string theory or searching for the Higgs Boson, they demonstrate the high-power BitTitan product line in Daring Demos with Darrell and Jethro.
Quiet, catching the cloud.
Hi.
Well, this is seriously much more interesting.
What?
Data in a
Enablement?
flask.
Whatever, dude. Oh. Hey. Welcome with Daring Demos with
Darrell and
Jethro. We have a question today from James Anderson out of Monaco. He's an MSP and he actually has a question if we can help him with extending his services through BitTitan products. So we're going to do a little bit of whiteboarding. If you can help me get this
Sure.
glove up. Maybe today?
Today.
Thank you.
Now.
Okay, cool. So BitTitan has a platform called MSP Complete, and it's actually a complete platform, hence the name Complete, for everything that is MSP related. So in our dashboard, MSP Complete, you will find a place where you can manage all your customers, users, and computers. Now, the way to manage your users and computers, we need to have something on premises. And what we have there is what we call DMA. Now, Darrell, what does DMA stand for?
Desktop Management Agent. No?
Device Management Agent.
I was close.
Very close, but no cigar.
So we're going wider than desktops.
Absolutely, my friend. So from MSP Complete, you can deliver to all the different devices an agent, which we call DMA, and that is going to register the computer and the users of that computer back to MSP Complete. So it sends a completely structured back, so users and computers in how to communicate. Now, how do we get that DMA agent there? Well, good question, Darrell. There's actually multiple ways to do that. Now, most people have a domain, right? They have a domain controller that manages that domain, so we can use group policy objects to actually deploy that DMA agent.
Right. Well, sometimes there are businesses that are born in the cloud, aren't they? So how would they do that?
Very good question. Well, we also allow them to install it through email. So what happens is they can send out an email to all the different users that they want to send it to. They can choose the language, they can choose the wordage that they're going to use, and then the end user just installs it and sends everything back onto our MSP Complete dashboard. Based on that dashboard, we can deploy multiple services. Like, for example, two services that we already have in place is Health Check for Office 365 and Deployment Pro. With Health Check for Office 365, you can actually see if the devices where the DMA agent is uninstalled, if they're compatible with Office 365 or not. And the Deployment Pro module is going to reconfigure the Outlook profile in such a way that it's fully automated. There's a dashboard available, and there's no need actually to go in to do it remotely.
So it sounds like we're looking after the before and the after as part of that process.
Absolutely, very crucial. You want to see if your devices are ready before you start doing the migration. There's nothing as frustrating in going back and having to remediate that. So that is what we offer at this point. BitTitan is going to release a lot more services based on DMA, so it's a gateway onto your different devices. So thank you again, Mr. Anderson, for this question.
From Monaco.
From Monaco, absolutely. And stay tuned for a lot more service modules that we will be releasing with DMA, and please keep on sending your questions.